Building Co. So you see that right there? Yes, we have finally arrived. This is the Topeka Home Show 2024. So we're just gonna walk through, check out some of the exhibits, maybe connect with some of the other contractors. You know, one of our values is collaborations at IPG Building Co, man. So it's gonna be awesome to just stop by, see what they're doing, and just get an update on what they're doing here. Let's go.
I'm Cole Bowling. This is my father, Mark Bowling, Mark Bowling Construction. The biggest thing is if you can envision it, if you can kind of come up with an idea of something you want to build, you know, we can go small, we can go very large. There's really not a, you know, end to what we can do. So that's kind of the business in a nutshell.
My name is Mackenzie Hutley. I'm an interior designer and I do builder commercial sales at Carpet One here in Topeka. Basically, we get to work with a lot of different builders, contractors, remodelers, such as IPG, who are working on a lot of projects here in Topeka for a lot of the awesome weekends and local areas around here. And we just get to help really partner and make their homes beautiful and just get to be a part of that.
When our client comes in and they're like, hey, I don't know what I want, this is where I want, I don't know what I want, and it's like, where do I start? Right. So kind of what would you say before they came in, just a couple tips or tricks that they could start to envision the space that they really want?
Sometimes you just kind of have to ask the right questions because they don't even know image-wise what they like. So you just kind of got to figure out the client and see which direction you need to go.
Our main course of business is roofing, siding, gutters, windows. One of the things that we offer is an upper end till core product that has a great wind rating. It's a lifetime warranty on the product.
This specific product comes with a 15-year non-prorated warranty on all the finish. And then coupled that with this till core stone coated steel, you cannot go wrong. This doghouse is bulletproof and your home can be bulletproof too with this product.
So my name is Joe Thomas. I'm with Custom Wood Products. We're a local cabinet manufacturer. So we're showing two different kitchens this year. This one over here is the Joanna Gaines inspired kitchen. And so if you go ahead and Google her kitchen, and you're going to see something very, very similar to this. What we're showing this year is it's a quarter sawn white oak.
We're custom cabinets, main, and then showroom is KBH, just to kind of give you an understanding of the backstory there. And then custom woods is, what I love about it is like the family feel. So you're a family once you're in, and you're always going to be a part of our family. And so I love that.
I'm Brandon Best. This is my fiance Jessica Miner. We do everything from brand new driveways for brand new home construction to the basement to the footings for the concrete to the finished product. So we'll come in and do all the prep work for a brand new house, and then when the house is done, we'll come in and finish the driveway, and then we can actually seed the entire area too, so all the grass can grow and everything looks like it's brand new. We started out, we've got about 25 years of excavation experience with trucking, skid loader work, excavation ponds, driveways. We just pretty much do anything that has to do with the ground. So after this winter season, and the moisture we've had, we come across many driveways that are soggy and wet and holding water. So what we do is we go in and we reshape that driveway to get the water to run away from the center of the driveway. And then we relay the driveway with new material, compact it, and now they have a brand new driveway.
So I'm CJ Matchett with Culligan of Northeast Kansas. We serve Topeka, Manhattan, Carbondale, all the way down to around Burlington, all the way up to Hiawatha. So with the boil alert, the one thing that would stop you from having to boil your water with the bacteria is an ultraviolet light. So the ultraviolet light kills the bacteria. Typically that'll go in front of a system like your softener. We treat our water with chlorine and chloramines. The city does the best they can to treat the water to get it potable, right? They do the best they can, but unfortunately to treat it, you gotta use something strong, so we use chlorine and chloramines. And we have dechlorinator systems. So what we do is we come out to the house, we do 5 or 6 tests. We really pride on ourselves on not being high pressure. We'll take your business today, tomorrow, or 6 months from now. We come out, we do the test, we show you the options. If it's a good fit, great. If it's not, at least you know where you're at.
Here's here's our 8x16 foot unit. We have an 8x8 by 12 and 8x8 by 16. The 8x8 by 16 is $199 a month. Our 12 foot unit is $189 a month. And that's for on-site storage. If you do facility storage, which is climate controlled at our warehouse in Maple Hill, it's $249 a month. A lot of that is residential people moving out, or if Custom Wood Products right over there is storing their cabinets for a job that needs to be taken out, which is largely what our Maple Hill storage is used right now. Delivery and returns are $95 each for delivery and returns, but we like to do a lot of discounts on that with residential and commercial businesses. Definitely if they're renting out more than one unit, we'll find whatever deals they may like.
Well, so at the Building Association, what we do is we provide a lot of education for contractors. We provide a lot of education for the public. On the public side, it's, we have people that'll call into the office and they're looking for, who do we call to build a house? Who do we call to, remodel a house, heating and air, plumbing, flooring, all of those kinds of things. And what I would tell them is we only have the best of the best. So if you want the best, you're gonna call us first. If you don't want the best, look in a phone book, Google it. So if you want the best of the best, call the Topeka Area Building Association. That's how we help the public. We educate the public on how and where to look for those names and numbers. When it comes to the contractors, we help them by educating them on new codes that have come out. We help educate them on codes that are coming down the pipeline, the new things that are coming down from national, because a lot of people don't know how much the National Association of Home Builders actually plays into the local market, and it is actually really big on how it plays in.
Yeah, so kind of give you a little bit of background. So met Keith a few months ago. We're looking for a local lumber yard that can really just help us to understand the products that we were using, the products, how some of the products could benefit our clients. And so Keith's, man, just been a complete resource, whether it's like, hey, can you go and give our framers some extra studs? Hey, can you talk them through this portion of the plans and what it called for? So, I mean, you all been more than just a lumber yard. We got, experts that really care about what they're doing and really offer some comparable and quality building products.
And we consider ourselves a partner, not a supplier. We consider ourselves a partner, because I'm going to partner with these guys to make sure your project gets complete to the most accurate and most detailed that it can. So we become a partner. I don't get paid like a partner, but but we consider ourselves partners, and I feel like we've had a pretty good partnership so far. And we're not always going to agree on everything, but my knowledge is there to be able to tell you guys, hey, I can get that hanger that plan's calling out for. I can get that hold down bracket that plan's calling out for. Without that, there's some people that don't know that stuff. So that's why we pride ourselves in what we do. We enjoy doing it, and I couldn't ask for two better guys to work with, man. You guys are awesome, man. You guys are awesome. So.
Yeah, so are you.